Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 30, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 30, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, October 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 30, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot of Mega Lotto 645 is 89 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price is 85 million pesos for Monday, October 30, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 30, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.